Viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about the chief accountant of Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. Joseph Conrad went to Africa in 19th century. He had rich experience of his sea voyage to Congo. Heart of Darkness deals with his experiences in Congo. The chief accountant is one of the important characters of the play. Joseph Conrad portrays many profound characters in his novella Heart of Darkness. These characters, such as the chief accountant or the accountant, are used to expose the truth about humanity. The chief accountant's appearance, particularly his dress, is interesting. He puts on a starched collar, shirt, white cuffs, a light alpaca jacket, snowy trousers, a clear necktie, and varnished boots. This account appears on page number 19 of Heart of Darkness. He puts on a strange attire for someone working in heat and filth of the Congo. The accountant's wardrobe represents his feeling of superiority over the people of the Congo and how he wishes to be perceived by others. The chief accountant thinks that he is an intellectual. He thinks that he will bring civilization to the Congo by bringing Europe to the Congo. The chief accountant is unaffected by surroundings he sees there. The continent of Africa is a dark continent. There is total darkness there. People are illiterate, uncivilized, uneducated, say savages. The chief accountant teaches a native lady how to clean and starch his shirts. His dress represents what the company and to a greater extent society wants to be: clean, dignified, respected. Even Marlowe says he respected the fellow. Page 9. His appearance rather than his person, though. The chief accountant keeps the veneer of her civilization securely in place. Image is priority for the company that employs the chief accountants as well as Marlowe. The veneer covers up the greater darkness. They do not want to be noticed or seen. The chief accountant represents the darkness himself. His appearance is what covers this up. How long does one have to be isolated in the jungle before they start to feel the lack of European civilization? Conrad believes that man is ultimately amoral or immoral, and what faced with darkness will always default to his basic animalistic ways. The chief accountant always scrutinizes his books, book of accountancy. The books are the chief accountant's life. It is unknown whether his meticulous scrutinizing of the books is a factor of his personality or a result of the horrors of the Congo. It is safe to assume that he has been greatly affected by the Congo. As a man lies dying in his office, the chief accountant fails to recognize him as a human being. Instead, perceiving his audible suffering as an annoyance. Perhaps the true savages are not the native people of Africa, but the Europeans working for the company. A human being that can be irritated by another's death can only be described as a savage. Conrad uses the character of the chief accountant to illustrate the shallowness of human beings. The chief accountant is not just a single character. He is everyone and everywhere. He is the darkness that exists inside every human being. He is the veneer that masks the darkness. The chief accountant is the heart of darkness. That's all. Thanks.